explain, right? As I'm trying to explain, you know, we are all different and unique in our own different ways. Just like where I'm coming from. Maybe I derive joy in speaking my language. The same way you derive joy. Okay, this is your dad? Oh, okay. Okay, you're the in-law.
Yeah.
All right, so what is going on here is that my daughter mistakenly stepped on her, and then she said sorry to her, but in my language. But then she is insisting that my daughter must say sorry to her in the language she's going to understand. Yeah, but sorry is sorry. She's speaking Afrikaans, quite all right, my daughter can speak Afrikaans, but when she decides to promote her culture, you must not stop her from promoting her culture. Yeah, so when you stopped her, she said, I said sorry to you, and what I said is Ndo, which simply means sorry. And you're forcing her to speak Afrikaans to you. Okay, if I force you to speak another different language that you don't understand, would you be happy with that? No, it's not everybody should be allowed to speak their own language. I should be allowed to speak my language, you should be allowed to speak your language. And despite the fact that the colors are not the same, but we are all sisters and brothers. You understand? We are all sisters and brothers. Okay? So next time when somebody does something to you and apologize, just forgive and let it go. Okay, so can you both just hug it out? It's not a big deal. Yes, that is it. And peace will return. Eh?